We're at the Walter Bean Trailhead. It's part of the Walter Bean Grand River Trail, and we're in Cambridge, Ontario, and the Grand River is below us, and you are in for a treat today. There is a trail map, but we don't need it because we live in this town, and we've lived in this town for our whole life. And when I was a little kid, now I'm 77, but when I was a little kid of about 6 or 7 years old, my brother was 8, my father would take us right to this location up ahead to have a look at the Grand River below. Grand River starts up in the middle of southwestern Ontario, a couple hundred miles north, and then it travels all the way down through Cambridge and hits Lake Erie. It's quite a long river. Not a very big one, but a beautiful one. Limestone cliffs here and there along the route. Great for canoeing, kayaking. And when my father was a boy, which is a long time ago, he would swim in this river and had a great time. So we're on the Lawrence Lamb Riverside Walk. There's an organization which is just up ahead. They have a barn and they have a community center, and it's called RARE. It's a environmental ecological lab, and they'll take you on a guided tour of this particular trail and give you the history of the indigenous people that lived here over 500 years ago. Look at the woodpecker on the tree above you, right there. Where is he? River below. We're right on the top of the limestone cliff. Now there is a trail going down, and I don't think that's it. That's too steep, but there is one. Because the trail at the bottom takes you right along the river. I just don't want to miss it. I think what I'll do is I'll try to go down here. So we're not sure if this is the trail down, but we're coming down anyway. And we're heading down that way. We can do this. Yeah, I guess this wasn't the main trail. Okay. There's a band of trees that travels through southwestern Ontario. It's quite wide, this band, and it's called the Carolinian Forest. And it passes right through here, so the flora and fauna of this area is quite extensive along the Carolinian Forest Trail. Black cherry trees are common in this area. That's what you can recognize them by the bark and the height. Holy moly. Oh, I see.
You need a door.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Yeah, with a handle on it. Look at that. What a great idea. Like
A hobbit.
What you'd think, a hobbit.
Could make a movie in here for sure. A tulip poplar lying on the ground here. Isn't that gorgeous? Back to the limestone shelf on the left. Look at the heart in there, Sue. Somebody put a rock, purple rock with a heart.
Oh, look at that, eh? Isn't that cool?
See if it says anything.
Yeah. Has a big E on it.
Oh, yeah.
E for apple. I don't know.
Cambridge, Ontario is just down the road there, about 2 kilometers. We're right at the river's edge, the Grand River. Even though you can't see it, it's there. That's where we came from. You can see the water now. And the limestone cliffs are on the other side too. Look at the fungus on that tree, Sue, going up the side.
Somebody.
The turkey tail fungus. Very popular fungus in the northern hemisphere. Cedar Grove. The walking trail here gets a little bit tricky. Good exercise. Good for your ankles and your knees and your hips.
Yeah.
Let's just check it out. Exercise in the forest. Can you flag down a boat? We can go for a boat ride. So we're coming to the end of the trail. The limestone cliffs have disappeared. So here we are at the end of the Walter Bean Trail, sub-trail.